Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Epson L3260 printer driver download and installations process. So open any browser to Google search box to type Epson L3260 printer driver. After that you can see the first one. Just click on it. This is epsonco.in, this officially site, so you can download the driver. Scroll down, extract the driver tab. After that printer driver and click to download. Scroll down, I agree, and then click to download. After that you can see it will start downloading. It will take some time and depend about your speed. So it is completed, then just single click to open, then yes. After that extract driver to your system, then click to OK. Now you can see the driver installing to your system. Now it's completed, then click to OK, then agree, and then click to OK again. On your printer and connect both Wi-Fi and USB, which method to install. So there are two options, first network and second USB. So if you want to network, so select this and click to OK. So like that it will detect and install. And if you install the via USB, so connect a USB cable, printer USB cable to your system, laptop and desktop, and then click to. Now you can see like that. Okay, it will detect next to install both method. And if you are facing some issues, so please comment me, I will support. Thank you.